So this is the Bohle VetroMount system. This is a frameless base balustrade system which comes in 4 different profiles and is suitable in glass thicknesses from 12 to 21.5 laminate glass. The system has been tested up to 1.5 kilonewtons, which will suit you for 99% of your applications. The Bohle VetroMount system is unique in the market of balustrades compared to others. We've thought about everything. So we have the options, the ability to incorporate LED lighting, for example, in the bottom of these tracks. The installation is so much quicker, so much easier. The installation is from one side mounting. You've got complete adjustability with the system. The system itself comes anodized, which will allow for coastal use. You then have the options to utilize covers. Now those covers can either cover on one side, both sides, top covers. The covers also can be used for incorporating paneling or cladding. So with Bohle VetroMount system, there isn't any specialist skills necessarily required to install. If you're already adept at handling glass, you could easily transverse those skills to the external applications of glass, such as balustrading. So from an installation point of view, being able to mount a product such as VetroMount from one side, so you don't have to have access on both sides, it's completely adjustable. You've got 25mm play either side from the 0 point without having to access the other side of the balustrade or balcony to achieve these adjustments.